Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm up in southeast London and really excited to show you around an amazing garden gym we've recently completed with some very unique storage solutions. So I've been talking to this client for around about 18 months. We went through a planning application to make the extra height that we wanted to make this garden gym. So quite central in London here, wanted a space that you could go and use all the time. And actually in this dark colour has worked really nicely, not too overpowering in a relatively small garden, but not a normal London size, I would argue, but with a great idea because there was originally a little shed here. So you can see the solid bit of cladding on that right hand side there. I'll show you what we've done inside of that. And then these lovely big sliding doors work very well with the low-E glass. You can see that reflection of me coming through there, and that's because it's got this anti-sun grade kind of tint on it, but it actually reflects back from the house and makes the room feel a bit bigger because of that, or the garden feel a bit bigger because of it. All of the usual 10-year pack items on here. You've got the MTX V100 in the anthracite with the fascias and everything like that. The doors are extra height to work with that as well, and inside of here it's just beautiful. So we've gone with this dark grey downpipe colour. We've got the Toshiba designer climate control unit to sit in there that works really well. Perfectly fits this lovely bit of gym equipment in there for it. And then the mirrors on the back, so you get to see me today. Large mirrors, really tall, and work really nicely on that. After we left, the client fitted this lovely gym floor, which I really like. It's a shoes off room, so I'm just taking them off to show you the very exciting bits in here. So what we've done there is, inspired by a previous project, we've created these cupboards on the right hand side. TV works in the middle, but all of the old shed equipment sits inside. We've done removable shelving and things like that. And if you've got a London property and you need that extra space, what a great way of doing it. So we've got two cupboards like that, adjustable shelving, everything from the shed is fitted into them, plus a few bits from the house. And you get that slick feeling with those kind of flush doors that we've created there with handleless doors. They're on a sprung loaded little bit of kit, so you've got handleless doors on there. TV's all integrated. You've got that internet brought in as well, so everything's all set up. White ceiling on there to give the feeling of height. With that lovely gym equipment. So yeah, there you go. So the building itself is 5.5 metres wide, 3.6 metres deep. And here's the other impressive thing. All of it was brought through the house because it's a London property. So we measured everything and got it through the doors, through the house, through the front. So a nice little challenge, but something that we enjoy doing always. And really nice to be able to complete this for the client with the base, electrics, internet, and the completed building. Hope that's of interest. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and let me know your thoughts on this room.